Hi, I'm Sushma. I normally do with soft skills trainings and number of trainings. So I just came here that I'm going to gain some knowledge regarding the design or whatever how I can actually go with the precision. I'm actually trained in this, but I'm not actually trained in an organized manner. So whatever the information which I have got here is completely regarding the objective. The best part in this is the objective, which gives the complete whole and soul of this content whatever you are going to give there. I love the part of learning this objective, and the next part is designing of your module. If it is a 10 days program, yeah, I'm very confident that I can happily design a program now. So previously I used to search in internet, or okay, for the content searching internet is something different, but checking with the modules is very tough, that we can't get this modules, or we can't get that program in a organized manner. Here I got to know that.